So I have another Pokemon card video today. I went to GameStop and they had a deal going on. If you spend $25 or more, you get a promo card, and I wanted to get it, so I just spent $25 of Pokemon items. It has to be Pokemon card related items to get this. So if you want to get this card, go to GameStop and spend $25 and you can get this cool promo Zygarde card. I'm not going to open it from the package. Just going to keep it in there. So there's that if you're interested. And so what I picked up was this, I'd never seen this before. It's this is Build and Battle. It's Sun and Moon Forbidden Light. And it's a cute little box. It cost me $20, obviously. And inside it comes with a 23 card evolution pack, including one of 4 unique foil promo cards. I don't know what a 23 card evolution pack, what it means. I'm not really sure what that is. But it also comes with the 4 packs of the Forbidden Light booster packs and a code for the online game. So just the cards alone, it's still a decent deal. And then it comes with whatever this is, and I'm not sure exactly. So I just decided to get it because I wanted to see what it was, and it wasn't too bad of a deal. Yeah, so we'll go ahead and open it to see what's inside, if I can get it open. This is some pretty tough packaging. You want to hand me the screwdriver right there? Okay, I'm going to open it with a screwdriver. Because who needs scissors? Okay, so here it is. Cute little box that comes with some cards. It looks like you can oh. Huh? Oh, you slide it out. Whoa! Woo! Okay, there's the magic trick for the day. Oh wait, there's more. Woo! Okay, so, oh, what is this? So I guess this is the 23 card thing with a promo on it. There's the promo, I guess, on the top. We'll just open this up first. Here's the code. I'm just going to go through it because I'm not really sure. So there's the promo. And Furfro. I'm not really expecting anything to be in here. Yeah. Oh, wow. Okay. Oh, okay. So is it like a play set? Okay. Maybe something like that. For people getting started in the game and wanting to use Forbidden Light. Maybe that's what it is. Yeah. So I feel like if you definitely want to start playing and you want to use Forbidden Light, maybe this would be a good deal for you to get started with some commons there. Here's a little pamphlet thing. Building tips, yeah. I guess that makes sense because this is Build and Battle, so I guess that's kind of that makes sense. There's that. Okay, so take out that's all that's in the box. Just put that down. There's 4 packs. Let's open them up. I opened up a booster box, so if you haven't seen a Forbidden Light, so if you haven't seen that, you can go check it out if you want to see a lot of the cards that are in the set. 2, 3. Energy. Okay, Braxton, Alzoff, Furfrou, Inky, Magnemite, Honedge, Cubone. There's the reverse, Go-Go, and on the end, okay. So we got the promo and the normal like they're opposite. Whoa. Okay, go ahead and put that up there. Okay, go on to the next pack here. And there's the code. 1, 2, 3. Ah! Energy. We got Zygarde, Doublade, Diggersby, Flabibi, Gibble, Clowncher, Noibat, Pancham. Reverse, we got a Beast Energy. On the end, we got the Torterra. Okay, cool. 2 packs left. Yeah, I feel like these ones are super easy. I can just rip right through them. Okay, there's the code. 1, 2, 3. There's the energy. Ultra Weak Ones. Amara, whatever. Importer. Clowncher. Noibat. Pancham. Esper. Execute, and for the reverse we have a Balma Snow, and on the end we have a Tantrum Hollow. Boo. Okay, and for our last card, let's get something good. Okay. So there's the reverse. 1, 2, 3. There's the energy. Hilolisk. Magneton, Hoopa, Noibat, Pancham, Esper, Execute, Scatterbug. As the reverse, Hilolisk, and on the end we have a Empoleon. I don't think I have this one yet, hollow, so that's alright, I guess. Just put him up there because why not? So that's gonna do it for this video. So the box comes with the 4 packs of Forbidden Light, and it comes with that little set of 23 cards with a promo. So you get, oh, wrong one. So there's a 1 in 4 unique foil promo card, so you can get like that one or that one right there, or 3 other ones, maybe. No, not that one. So if you're just getting started, and this might be a good deal for you because at least you get the 4 packs. So it pays for itself basically, and then you get the additional promo card and the 23 pack evolution pack. But you probably could find better deals elsewhere if you just wanted to buy the packs by themselves. So this might not be for you. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. All right, bye.